Welcome! Today, we are going to crack open the code to the future of finance by breaking down the CIMA E1 paper. Seriously, think of this as your personal blueprint for not just passing an exam, but for absolutely thriving in a business world that has totally changed. So, let's just dive right in with a big, bold question that's probably on your mind. With all this talk about automation and AI, is the classic number-crunching accountant, well, a thing of the past? The short answer? Yeah, pretty much. But what's taking its place is so much more exciting. You see, the shift we're talking about is massive. We're moving away from being scorekeepers, the people who just record what happened last quarter, to becoming strategists, the people who actually help decide what's going to happen next quarter. It's a huge change from just looking in the rearview mirror to actually grabbing the steering wheel. And that brings us to this really powerful new way of thinking about our role, the digital navigator. I love this term. It's not just a fancy new title, it's a whole new mindset. It's about using technology and data as your map and compass to steer the entire business towards success. Okay, so let's get into the details. The very first part of your blueprint is all about understanding this new, bigger picture. This is the foundation for everything else we're going to talk about. So, this first section of the syllabus, Area A, this is our bedrock. And don't worry about trying to read all the tiny details here. The key idea is that we have to understand the new digital world we're operating in. It's about really grasping how technology has completely rewritten the rules for how a business creates and protects its value. And that means our day-to-day jobs have totally changed. I mean, just preparing reports? That's only the beginning. Now we have to understand technology's impact, tell the story of how the company is creating value, dig deep into data to find real insights, and, this is the most important part, use that story to influence what the business does next. All right, let's keep building on that, because every good navigator needs the right set of tools, right? And in our digital world, those tools are some incredibly powerful technologies. And this is where it gets really practical. Syllabus Area B is where we get our hands on our digital toolkit. This part of the syllabus lays out the exact technologies that are the engine of a modern finance function. Let's take a look at what's inside. And we're talking about the real heavy hitters here. Cloud computing that gives us flexibility, big data and analytics for deep insights, AI and automation for incredible efficiency, and even things like blockchain for security. Trust me, these are not just buzzwords. They are the gears that make modern business run. But here's the absolute key. It is not enough to just know what these tools do. The real magic happens when you adopt a digital mindset. It's about using this tech to completely reinvent how finance works, how we process information, and ultimately how we even measure what success looks like. So once you have that mindset and you have the right tools, you can finally unlock the most valuable resource in today's economy, data. This is where you really start navigating, turning all those raw numbers into a story that makes sense. And that leads us straight into Syllabus Area C. The main thing to get from this part of the blueprint is that the finance team has to lead the way in creating real, tangible value from data itself. And you know what? There's a really clear path for doing this. You guide the organization along these 4 steps. You start with just raw data, you turn it into useful information, you analyze that information to find those aha moments, the insights, and then you communicate those insights to influence big decisions. Of course, to walk that path, you need a very specific set of skills. A digital navigator has to help create the data strategy, understand how to get the data, be a pro at analyzing it, and, on top of all that, be a master storyteller who can make those findings compelling. So you've got the big picture view, the tech skills, the data mastery. It all comes together in your new role, becoming an absolutely essential strategic partner to the business. Now, Syllabus Area D shows us that to be a great partner, the finance department itself has to change. We can't be stuck in some old, rigid structure from 50 years ago. It's about completely redesigning the finance team for this new mission. So what does that really mean? It means tearing down the walls between departments. The goal is to build an agile, integrated finance function, one that's designed from the ground up to provide insight and partner with the rest of the business. And that brings us to the final piece of the puzzle, Syllabus Area E. This part is so crucial because it reminds us that a digital navigator cannot work alone in a silo. All the value we create comes from being deeply connected to every single part of the organization. I mean, think about it. You're going to be talking directly with operations about supply chains,
You'll work with sales and marketing on customer data, with HR on people analytics, and you'll be joined at the hip with IT. You become the connective tissue that makes a unified, data-driven strategy possible.
So after looking at this whole blueprint, what does this journey really mean for you? Where does the CIMA E1 paper actually take your career?
Well, it equips you with the 5 must-have qualities of any modern finance leader. You become tech-savvy, you become data-driven, a true strategic partner, an influential communicator, and, so importantly, an ethical guardian who makes sure all this new power is used responsibly.
And this, right here, is the ultimate takeaway. Mastering the CIMA E1 syllabus is not just some academic exercise. It is a roadmap to completely transforming your career and making yourself absolutely essential to any company that wants to win in the digital age.
So, the tools are here. The map is laid out for you in the CIMA syllabus. The future of finance is desperate for navigators who can chart the course through this new, complex world. So, the only real question left is, are you ready to be one of them?